Yo, how you guys doing? I hope you're well. Well, this is the final episode and I'm excited. You know why? You know how you always think of your future self looking back at the stuff that you've gone through and you're like, I went through this, I went through that, I went through that, and when I went through that. Well, this is one of those moments for us because we have finally gotten to a stage where the project was done. It was done. Yeah? And we could say now, we are property investors, you know, it was easier for us to say that, but as with any project, we went through a lot of setbacks that you saw, and went through a lot of pain, a lot of irritations, headaches, all sorts of other things. But we've gotten to this point now, which is always a great feeling, seeing the final result in terms of the hard work that you've put into something and seeing it come alive. Okay, and that's exactly what you guys are going to be seeing. Now, I have to tell you this though, there is a lot of students that have already moved into the apartment, which is fantastic for us because it meant we didn't have to waste any time getting people in. We didn't have a property that was sitting empty for some time. In fact, it was already 100%. Some student hadn't arrived yet, right? But you're going to see the fruits of our labor, so to speak. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I'm gonna take a different spin on this. I'm tired of asking you guys to like and subscribe. If you like the video, then press the like button. If you enjoy these videos and you're getting value from these series and videos, then subscribe. If you're not feeling it, it's okay. Maybe it's not meant for you. All right, I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you in the last part of this episode. Last part of the last episode, where we discuss the main things that we had learned, or the key lessons learned throughout this process. Okay, sharp.